We're back for another update. Let's take a look at total3 versus Bitcoin. So this is the altcoin market cap versus Bitcoin, and basically you would want to take a look at this to gauge where the dominance is shifting in the market. Is it going to alts or is it going to Bitcoin? As this price goes, what we see over here is that the price is very squeezed. Okay, so once this breaks out, a lot of dominance will shift towards altcoins, and you can see how many times we've used this support here as how many times we've used this level as support and resistance. Okay, going all the way back to 2017. You guys see this? Right before that huge run up. Okay, we're right on it right now. Okay? Right over here, and we're printing a falling wedge within a bullish descending channel, and we're also printing bullish divergence to go along with it on the weekly time frame. You can even see that the weekly RSI is squeezed here. Right over here, you guys see this? It's forming a nice bullish pennant, and if you were to just remove this upper trend line, you can see that we're printing bullish divergence as we're oscillating here and getting squeezed within this falling wedge. So whenever you have a accumulation like structure and then you have bullish divergence to go along with it, it usually means that sellers are running out of steam, and then you're going to see a violent move in the opposing direction. So if the price breaks out above this high over here at 12.34 million, I'll show you guys over here. If it breaks out above this level, then also will go on a really nice run. We can even take a look here at Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance, going back to 2019, we had a 3-wave move down and then a 3-wave move up from 2021. And we're currently within a ending diagonal of our 5th wave. You see how the waves are overlapping here, oscillating within this wedge? That usually marks the end of a trend, and then we also see triple negative divergence to go along with it, making continuous higher highs here on the price. I'll show you one sec. Let me see here. Okay, making continuous higher highs here on the price. But then if you take a look at the RSI, you have continuous lower highs. You guys see that? So triple negative divergence as we're printing overlapping waves within an ending diagonal. So it's either we turn over here right now, right? Or we have a little bit of an overthrow towards the 70.2% fib at 60.83% measured from our January 2021 high down to our May 2021 low. Okay, so right now you can see that it's on the 61.8% fib over here, but let's be open-minded to the possibility of it having one more drive up or an overthrow and then seeing a nice move in the opposing direction, and then this price action over here would be just a scam wick, and then we have a very violent move down. Okay, this is so this is Bitcoin dominance over here. As you can see, there's very minimal upside potential. So being positioned in alts here would be optimal, not financial advice. Let's take a look back at total3 Bitcoin. We also see that this is a cup and handle pattern. Okay, so you have a rounding bottom, and then the waves, the price action starts to respect this parallel channel over here, going down, and then you can see how we're back down to the same level that we used as resistance before the run up over here in 2017, 2018. We can also take a look here at USTD dominance. So this is USTD dominance over here. As you can see, we have hit the 70.2% fib measured from our September 2023 high down to our March 2024 low. And we're also within a bearish ascending broadening wedge pattern. We're below we're below this resistance level over here. You see we've used it 3 times in the past here. Okay, so going forward, what crypto bulls would want to see is for USTD dominance to stay below 5.84%. Otherwise, we'll come up to any of these higher fibs for a little bit of a relief rally to any of these fibs above about 6.02 to 6.29%. And crypto bulls definitely don't want USTD dominance to go above this level over here at the 70.2% fib. But so far, this does look like it has run out of steam, right? We've hit the 1.236% extension as well when we measure the C wave. You see how we came up to the 1.236% fib? Usually when you have ascending broadening wedge, usually when you have a broadening wedge in highly over-leveraged markets, especially crypto, the last wave hits the 1.236% extension. Even if it's just a simple ABC correction, because we are in such a highly over-leveraged market, you have an extension over the 100% fib. So we see that right here. Going forward, crypto bulls would want to see USTD dominance stay below 5.84% and get back below 5.2%. Get back below 5.22% in order for us to confirm that we're going to have that massive rally. If we do end up going below 5.22%, that would spark a massive rally in altcoins, because we would be breaking below this 140-day long uptrend. You guys see this? So if we break up below these two levels here, 5.22 to 5.06 on the daily time frame, that would be very good for altcoins. And we can see here using the time cycles that it would come to around, let me see here. Just trying to find where I put it over here. Oh, you're right here. So what we see over here is that this time cycle goes into September, October. You see how it's been respecting these time cycles? And you can place this on your chart. I think it's very useful. So going into around, let me see here. Yeah, like going into October would be very bullish. So we'll see here, we're still under resistance. So everything looks good on USD dominance as we're still trending down here. Let's go back. So this is Bitcoin dominance. Okay. As you can see, we don't have much upside potential. We also have triple negative divergence. And this is total3 versus Bitcoin. Very, very bullish. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.